In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix this site cannot be reached error on a Windows PC. First, we will flush the DNS cache. So, search for CMD. Once it appears, click on Run as Administrator. Now here you will need to type in the command prompt ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Once you see the message saying successfully flushed DNS resolver cache, that means the process was completed successfully. Next, we will change the DNS settings to Google DNS. Search for View Network Connection. Now, double click on the network you are connected to. Head over to the option Properties. Now navigate to the option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on the option Properties. Now, click on the option Use the following DNS servers. For preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8 and for alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. After entering the values, click OK to save the changes. Now restart your browser, especially Google Chrome, and try opening the website again that was previously not working. In many cases, these fixes the issue instantly. However, if the problem still continues, it's possible that the website is temporarily offline or blocked by your internet service provider. That's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.